Hello guys, I got a question a long time ago from Nate, and he asked about my pack. So this is a Hazard4 Kato in Kyoto, and it's a very nice pack. I don't have the dimensions for it, so you have to excuse me. Very nice rubberized handle. I have a glow-in-the-dark fob, so easier to spot. A tablet or iPad. Compartment, padded and waterproof. All these things Hazard4 will show you in their videos. So the reason why I got it, have some protection from my shoes. Some jobs I do require that. I have a viscose multi-use sizzle, really great stuff. I'll show it in another video so you can see. And, take this one out, and this is my hood. A hood for the woods. There's a video about that hood. I'll put the link below. 2mm stainless steel wire. Reason why I use this in my car as well. I have it with me every day, wherever I go, basically. And I have a spare cell phone. A poncho, an inexpensive, relatively tough poncho, can be used for shelter. A small bandana. I'm gonna make a video on how to do these. No tools required. I have about 5 meters of gorilla tape, maybe 3 meters. Don't quote me on that. Emergency blanket, emergency rain poncho. So that's basically the shelter kit. I have a lot of stuff in it, and also have some string, bank line type string. That's probably something else as well. Yeah, on the inside. Another pocket. A heat pack. Great to go with the shelter. On the outside, or admin compartment, I have maps and some administrative stuff, and then I have batteries, AA batteries. I have a different cord. I have and a mains plug for the camera or phone. I have a Morphe charger. It's a battery, 6000 milliamp battery, IP65 I believe, so it's weatherproof to some. You can't dunk it in water, but you can rain on it. A lighter, a hex wrench, a scribe, can use it as a glass punch as well. assortment of pens, and this one is a solar panel from Power Plus, it's called. Also a small lithium battery on the back. Too small for me to have any use for my Samsung Galaxy Note. This battery can recharge it one time, so it's great. A cap, notebook, a organizer, an Expedition EDC, I believe, with a assortment of tools. Sharpening stone from Spyderco, a CRTK Columbia knife and rivet tool, and a couple of small Firefly, what do you call it? Not a lighter. Can't go wrong with a lighter. A file for fire striking and filing. I have sandpaper, metal sandpaper, and a couple of drills. Another notebook, white in rain. Also have a Fisher Space pen, so should go here. And a black sheet patch. So, a boohoo kit, including enough chlorine to purify or treat 50 liters of water. And to go with that, I have a lot of stuff. This is a great item. It's a crisp bag or chips bag, and if you have electronics you want to protect, you can put them in that one. Make sure to clean it before to get all the fats out, and it will protect it from the weather and electromagnetic shocks as well. This is a pocket shower from sea to summit. It holds 10 liters of water or 10 liters of gear dry. I have a lot of tools. I use this in my work as well. So I have a Knipex power assisted bolt cutter. It cuts up to, I've cut 6mm wrought iron with this one. Round stock, should be said. This goes with the water treatment kit. A bowl with stuff for my purifying straw. It's the Frontier Pro, and that's good for another 200 liters of water. I have as I said, a lot of stuff. A Power Plus flashlight with 3 LEDs and 1 LED and blinking mode. Sun power and hand crank. And it's a really solid product. So it's also IP68 rated, so it can be submerged and work still. A paracord, about 10 meters, 2 light sticks, 1 orange, 1 green. A Baku Laplander saw, a metal saw, a small prying tool, and a pocket Bushman tool steel. This is a Black Hawk v-tac pocket for water bottles. Have a stainless steel water bottle and a titanium mug. In here I have snacks. They're rich in proteins, fats and carbohydrates. And my washing up sponges. And I have a small I have some rosehip, dried rosehips for drink, a jar of goji berries, and a Gorilla glue tube, some wipes, some rubbing alcohol, a spark, and a Gerber. This is the what is it called? I'll put it in the description if I don't remember it. I have a small peanut lighter and fluid bottle for it. Some toothbrush, toothpaste, and a slingshot. It stores the ammunition inside a handle and put in a sponge to dampen the rattle a bit. So it's a lot of stuff, but it's stuff I have for an emergency or for everyday use. I don't have a problem distinguishing from the stuff I need on a daily basis and the stuff I need in an emergency. So I couldn't tell you which is which. The poncho is obvious. If it rains I use it, and of course I have an extra poncho. If somebody else needs it, it's there. So it's not only for emergencies. I think that's an important thing to think about. So that's my bag of goodies, or bag of gear. So it all comes down to a fairly small package, and it's not that heavy that I can't move around with it. I can move around with it without any difficulties, and I don't really notice that I have it. So that's the second thing. If you don't feel comfortable with it, you probably won't use it on a daily basis. That defeats the purpose of a EDC bag. So this will give me a great addition to my daily chores and my work, and it will keep me in a better position if I should end up in a unfortunate survival situation or something. Where I live, it's very densely populated, so if I get into a survival situation, it's because I'm badly hurt. So I can walk about half an hour in any direction and come across people. So this is also IP67, so it can also be submerged. I don't use extra bag for that one. And that's that. So I hope that answers the question what kind of bag it is and what I use it for. So now I'm gonna get the brew on and sorry again, guys and girls, I jumped the gun a bit. There's also this side of the pack. The trauma shears gives a kind of indication of what is in it. It is my quick cloth, gauze, and my Israeli bandages, a tourniquet, and a red fluorescent light stick. The reason why I have this kit, it's very extensive and normally reserved for bullet wounds and stuff, is that I use a chainsaw on a regular basis, and of course this this bag goes with me there too. So and I have my leather gloves, Carhartt brand roping gloves, great gloves for the outdoors, and an enormous zip tie for quick repair or setups. No, I really mean it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next time.